Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You log in and immediately confirm your balance and verification. You want no interruptions mid-hand. Once done, select a golden flower table with stakes that match your bankroll and set the buy-in amount. Make sure to note antes and blind sizes because they determine pot odds and aggression. You also choose a seat to optimize position versus aggressive players. These first actions establish the rhythm of your session and protect your bankroll while you start making informed decisions at the table. You watch several hands quickly to form reads. This helps you distinguish callers from bluffs and loose players from tight ones. Then focus on position. Raise more often from late seats because you act last and can control pot size, while defending early seats only with solid hands. Use bet sizing deliberately. Small bets for pot control, larger bets for polarization and value. Also mix in occasional bluffs against predictable callers, so opponents can't lock down your strategy once you've established your image. You take hands to showdown only when pot odds and reads justify it. This preserves chips and reduces variance. Once done for the session, decide whether to cash out or rebuy based on your profit target and session loss limit to avoid tilt. If the table behavior changes dramatically or technical issues appear, move tables or call support. Lag or misdeals can cost you real money. Finally, when things go wrong, pause, review key hands, and reset. Don't chase losses or force a comeback.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.